Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. In this video, we are going to tell you how to apply for Koch University Scholarship in Turkey. This is a scholarship for undergraduate, master's, and PhD level. This scholarship covers the full tuition fee and all nationalities can apply for it. Eligibility criteria for this scholarship is different for each program. Visit the official website for details about the course criteria. In Koch University, the undergraduate applicants will receive 50% or 100% Koch University scholarships after evaluating academic merit by the admission committee. There are need-based scholarships available as well that will support the students by covering their expense of dorm and tuition. Students applying for master's and PhD programs will receive a full tuition fee waiver upon admission. Koch University Graduate Scholarship will provide a tuition waiver, a monthly stipend, a limited coverage of health insurance, and in some of the cases, they support in travel as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. To apply for Koç University Scholarship in Turkey, click on the link given in the description section of this video. It will take you to this webpage. Go through all the details related to the scholarship and proceed towards the application process and click on Apply Now to start your application. Clicking on Apply Now will open the official site of Koç University. Scroll down, select your program, read the requirements, and then click on Apply. After clicking on Apply Now, click here. Now you can see all the programs, study modes, study languages. Scroll down to see the deadline of each program. Here you can make the choices according to your program and then find it out. Before proceeding, you have to register yourself. So click here. If you are a new applicant, click on I am a new applicant. Type your email address and click register. Now go to your mailbox and click the link given there. Now open your mailbox, find the mail, and click on the link given here. Now it asks you to put the PIN and verify. Now fill this form by putting your full name and password and then register yourself. Now fill in the following fields to finish creating your applicant account. For the reference code, if you have received it, then insert it here. If you do not have a reference code, just leave it empty. It will not affect your application. Now check the box and click Continue. Now it welcomes you to Koç University's online application portal. Now select the program of your interest and proceed further. When you will select the program, you will get all the details about it. Go through them thoroughly, and on the right side you can also see the deadline of it. To apply for it, click on Apply Now. First of all, put your given name, means first name, then your middle name, your family name, your gender. Select your country, your citizenship, the country of your residence. Again, now you have to put your parents' information, write down the name of your father's family name, your mother's first name, your mother's family name, your status, single, married, select one of these, and your disability if you have any disability. Then upload your photo. Do read the instructions given here related to the photo. Don't forget to fill in this side. Put the Turkish national identification if you are from Turkey. Put the passport number, the issuance date, the expiry date, the country of issue. If you do not have a passport, put the ID card number, your date of birth, and choose the country of your birth. And then click Save. After completing your first section of profile, you can go to the next section of contacts. Here you have to put your address, your street number, your house number, your apartment number, and the name of your city, town, or village. Put the name of your province, city, region. Put the name of your state and then select the name of your country. Then write down the telephone number of your home and then the mobile number. And then you can click Save. In the Priorities section, you can make 3 choices in the order of your priority. If you get admitted to all 3 programs, you need to choose and accept only one offer. Before selecting your program, go to the official website and thoroughly go through the requirements and details of the program. In the next section of education, read through all the details given here, then scroll down, put the level of your education, select it, put the name of your school, university, write the program name, the scientific discipline, select the date of your studies, when it was started, and when is the graduation expected. Choose the country, write the name of your city, put your GPA here, and put the maximum GPA here. In the next section of scores, you have to select at least one of the eligible test scores or diplomas you have taken. There is a complete list of diplomas and tests here. You have to select the one that you have already taken, select it and put the score of it. For English proficiency, if you have taken any test, you need to put the name of the test here along with the date and the additional information. But this is completely an optional application document. In the activities section, you can state any honors or awards received and any extracurricular activities you have participated in that you think would be relevant for your evaluation. In the reference section, the applicant should include at least one reference for his or her application to be evaluated by the admission committee. The applicant cannot upload any existing recommendation letters. Instead, the applicant has to provide referee's information and then an email will be sent to the referee and they need to fill the form that they receive and submit it. In this section, you have to write a motivation letter of minimum 1500 characters and maximum 4000 characters. This is one of the most important parts of your application, and its goal is to answer the question, why are you a suitable candidate? Therefore, write it in a very clear and logical manner. Remember, the way you write and present yourself says a lot about you. Do not plagiarize, as this will mean automatic disqualification from the evaluation process. In the scholarship section, thoroughly go through all the conditions given here and then check the box in the end. In the next 2 sections of checklist and documents, you can check that which of your documents are still not uploaded, and in the checklist you can see that which of the sections are still incomplete. In the last section, under the medical info, you can write something that you consider is very important to inform the university related to your medical condition. You can put it here. And then you have to select that from where did you hear about Koch University and how did you hear about it. And if you want to apply for dormitories, then select yes, otherwise select no. Click on submit. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.